Hey guys, so guys, today we are going to see how we can install Linux 16 version on the MacBook M1 chip. So the first one, you have to download the image of the Linux Ubuntu 16, and you can go to the Ubuntu website and in the release part, so you have the Ubuntu 16. It is better and it's preferred to download the ARM one, which is for the M1 chip, the one which has the ARM architecture, but also the AMD one is also fine because we're going to use a virtual machine that's going to actually translate it to the ARM architecture, which is better for MacBook. So after downloading the image, we have the image over here. We downloaded the image of 16. The next thing, we have to download the virtual machine that we can install Linux on. We're not going to install it on the device itself because it's gonna crash it. It's gonna damage the device. So we are gonna download and install our virtual machine, and we're gonna install the Linux on the virtual machine. The virtual machine, which is pretty good and useful and free for MacBook M1 chip, is UTM. You can just Google it, download it from some of the websites, from UTM website or from App Store or other websites. When you install it, here you have option to, I already installed a Linux on it, but I'm gonna install another one, which is the 16 actually version. And let's just go step by step to the installation. So here we go. You can just create a new virtual machine, and we go with the virtualized one, which is faster based on the experience that we use it. This one has a better quality, and choose the Linux. Then we go to browse, and we should find the image of the Linux. So we are gonna find it where that we saved it, and so the 16 one, 16 actually version. So open it, then we continue, and the amount of storage that we need, 4 gigabytes, and the CPU core we can just choose 4 or just let it go. It's gonna choose it by default, and continue. 64 gigabytes. The drive, continue again. Share directory, you don't need to do anything, just continue. It's gonna say the architecture is AMD, it's not ARM, so please ensure you have selected an image that is compatible with ARM 64, but this will be fine because UTM is gonna translate it. So the name, I'm gonna just choose it Linux 16, which is the one that I'm going to use it for assignment, a project of operation system security. That's why I'm installing the 16 one. So I'm gonna save it. There we go. We have it over here and it's installed. But we have another step to actually activate and install the GUI, graphical user interface. So the 16 one, we are gonna click on it. Let's just see, boot it. Let's see what you can do.